Thank you so much. In this video, we're going to show how to install HTML email signature in MS Microsoft Outlook system. Okay, so at the very first time, we need to open our HTML file in the Chrome browser, as already we have done the coding part. So open it to a Chrome browser. Okay, and then open your Microsoft Outlook Office. So this is the interface of Microsoft Outlook. Okay, you may do install by two system. At the very first time, you can do by clicking the file and then open option. Okay, option by clicking the mail button and the signature. Okay, you may put a name, just set Johan, H-O-N, Johan. Okay, and the click. Okay, and the new message. Okay, right again, the new message Johan, and the forward and replay Johan. Okay, and go back to your HTML file, just Ctrl plus A and Ctrl plus C. Okay, come back to your interface Microsoft and then paste it. Okay, paste here, and then finally click the OK button and then OK button. Okay, when you will try to send any new mail, when you click the new mail, automatically it will add in your interface. Okay, where is the process? And another process was I just delete the signature. You may choose any up between two them. Okay, I just delete here. It's another process to install HTML email signature in your Outlook interface. Okay, at the very first time you may click new email button. Okay, and then you may click the signature button. There is no signature, just click the signature button. It's a second method how to install HTML email signature in your Outlook, MS Outlook. Okay, just set do. Yes, I just say this do, and new message. Okay, do, and forward and replay do. Okay, and we go back to your HTML file and select the whole signature and Ctrl plus C, that's mean the copy. Okay, come back to your file and paste here. Okay, it's a second method how to install HTML email signature for your MS Outlook. Which one is better for your installing process? You may do. Okay, thank you so much for your cooperation and cooperation. If you have any kind of the question, you can ask me over at work. Okay, I will try to answer, or I will try to fix any kind of the bugs. Okay, thank you.